We'll guide you through how to connect and use a USB flash drive on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, to go and connect this to your iPhone, you're probably going to need an adapter. Now some USB flash drives may just be able to go and plug straight into your iPhone depending upon what port they have on it. For example, this iPhone here has a USB-C port as it's an iPhone 15. Most iPhones at the moment have lightning ports, so unless you've got a lightning USB, you're going to need to get an adapter. So for example here, I've got a USB-C to USB, but you can get lightning to USB, loads of different adapters. I'll put some links below to Amazon. Now what we can do is go and connect them up like so, and I'll then plug it into my iPhone. Now that you've plugged it in, to go and access it, you need to open up the Files app. For me, that's on the second page here. Now what you need to do is go and click on Browse in the bottom right and press the back button until you get to the Browse page and expand locations. And you'll go and see a little drive icon on the left here, which shows your USB flash drive. You can then go and click on it and you can go and start using it. As you can see, I've got some documents here and you can go and move files onto the USB or from it. For example, if I wanted to move one from it, I could hold on it like so. I'll then press move. And then what you can do is choose where you want to move it to. For example, I'll move it into this folder here and press copy in the top right. And you've now made a copy of it. So I've now moved a file from the USB to my iPhone. To move a file from my iPhone to the USB, go and locate it, go and hold your finger on it. And you can then go and click on move just here. And what we can then do is go and find the USB. So press the back button a few times in the top left. And then in locations, here it is. And you can then choose where you want it. I'll just put it here, I'll press copy, and that's it. You've made a copy of it and you've moved it there. So that's it, guys. If you found this useful, then leave a like.